With QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can record a payment from a customer for services you'll deliver in the future, and then recognize the revenue over time. Let's go over how to set up a service you'll invoice once and recognize the revenue for each month or day. Then, invoice the customer for the service and review the revenue recognition schedule. Let's make sure you have revenue recognition turned on. First, navigate to Settings. Then, select Account and Settings. Select the Sales tab, and then select the Products and Services section. Turn on Revenue Recognition. Select Save. Now that you've turned on revenue recognition, use the pre-built templates or create your own templates to customize revenue recognition methods, frequency, and period. Let's create a template for revenue recognition. Go to the Accounting section in all apps and select Revenue Recognition. If you are visiting this page for the first time, select New Schedule to get started. Otherwise, select Manage Settings, then Manage Templates. Select Add New Template. Name the template. Then select the recognition method. Select the recognition frequency dropdown and select from the options monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Then select the recognition period. This determines the revenue recognition method, the frequency revenue is recognized, and the number of periods in which revenue is recognized. Save the template. Now we will apply the template. Navigate to the Assign Products or Services tab and select Assign Template to Products or Services. Select a service from the Product or Service dropdown. Select the template from the Revenue Recognition Template dropdown. You can also select a template that you have created. Select the liability account. When you invoice your customer for the service, QuickBooks uses this liability account to categorize the funds you'll receive. Then over time, QuickBooks will automatically decrease this liability account and increase the balance of your income account. When you're done, select Save. Now it's time to invoice a customer for the membership. Select Create and Invoice. Fill in the customer's name and other details like you would normally. Then enter the service in the Product or Service field. QuickBooks automatically enters the description you recorded earlier, but you can customize it here. Enter the date the service begins. You can also enter a historical date if the service has already begun. You can invoice for other products and services along with the revenue recognition service. Right now you're invoicing the customer for one full term of the membership, which lasts a year. It's important to remember that quantity isn't the number of months you're charging them for. It's how many full terms you're charging for. Also, if this membership repeats each year, you can select Make Invoice Recurring to set the invoice up as a template so you can reschedule multiple future invoices. Select Review and Send. Then select Send Invoice. Let's take a look at the invoice to see how QuickBooks tracks revenue over time. QuickBooks displays when you'll recognize revenue, what the balance of the liability account will be, the amount you'll recognize, and the total amount you'll have recognized at that time. If you want to adjust the schedule, select View. In the Revenue Recognition panel, select Edit. Now you can change the service duration and the amount recognized in any month. Select Apply to save your changes and close the panel. You can track the progress of your revenue recognition from a report named Revenue Recognition Report. Select See Report. Customize or filter the report as you see fit. From here, you can see the status of each invoice, along with what you've recognized so far, versus the deferred revenue left on the invoice. Now you're ready to set up and use revenue recognition in QuickBooks Online Advanced.